Today I'm going to be going over how to replace a front turn signal bulb in this Nissan Rogue. This is a third generation. This will work the same from 2021 up to 2026, but I'm sure it's very similar to past models of Rogue. So as we come over here, first off, identify one that the light is burnt out. So turn your flashers on, either your hazards or turn signal on the side you think is out, and check it. Your turn signal is this one here, and your side marker bulb is a constant running light that's here. So this one just turns on and stays on when your lights are on. This is the one that flashes. So make sure that there's also not another issue besides the bulb. And as we come down here, that is it right there. That gray thing is our bulb. We're gonna grab right here, and this is a tough angle, but I'm gonna grab it here. I'm gonna turn counterclockwise, and counterclockwise from the perspective if you were sitting in the driver's seat. So it's gonna go this way to undo, and then when you put it back in, it's gonna go this way. And so I just undid that, and then this just pulls out. There's our bulb. Now, one thing is always wear gloves, because the natural oils on your hands, if they get on the crystal glass, they will not last as long. The bulb will go out sooner. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna pull straight out. Boom, there it is. Now let's see which one this is. So here is the bulb. If you can read and see which one that is, it is a 7444NA. That's the bulb. I'll put a link in the description. All my links are Amazon links, and I do make a commission, and that's what helps me keep this channel going. So I appreciate it if you use those links. I'll have this bulb linked in there. Now, if you do use an LED bulb, one thing you need to know is no matter which way you put this, it should work. So the leads are on both sides and current just flows through. But I have had LED bulbs, when you put them in one way, they don't work. You flip them 180 and they work. So LED bulbs, if you replace it with LED, great. Just make sure you get it the right way. You can keep the bulb out and go check it like this. I have the bulb out. Make sure that the new one works before you put it back in. I just turned my hazards on, which activate the turn signals. Now we're gonna pop that bad boy back in there. Another thing I wanted to note before I put it back in, this one was actually pretty easy to get out to twist. Some of them, this seal, because it's a rubber seal and they don't want moisture to get in, it can be kind of hard to do that initial twist. And then when you go to put it back in, you kind of have to push and twist, and it can take a little bit of strength. Just heads up there. Now, as you can see, there are those little notches. It's not perfectly circular, and then there's little notches here, and this engages, and that's what stops it. So this goes in here, and sometimes you kind of have to turn it back and forth to find its spot. It's seated, and then I'm going to turn clockwise from the driver's perspective, and it's just locked in. So it should be in there. You should be able to give it a little tug, and it's in. You can also see from this angle that the bulb is in there. And that's it. That's how you change a turn signal bulb on a Nissan Rogue. If this was helpful, leave a comment. Let me know. I always love a good thank you and some positive words to let me know that these videos help people. And we'll catch you next time. Oh, check out my playlist. I'm going to have all the bulbs that you can replace on this vehicle on there. And I'm going to have a couple other things, wiper blades, just standard maintenance stuff on the Nissan Rogue. We'll catch you next time. Bye.